Yo everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video today. This is the first episode of the unmotivational workout videos. It is currently 10:30 at night and we have just gained motivation to do a workout. So we're gonna be doing a Tabata workout today. Basically, it's just like high energy cardio type stuff. Something you can do at home right now in quarantine. Go into your basement, go into your living room. Try not to wake anybody up. Hey, if you're seeing this at 10:30 at night, be quiet, but work hard. I'm gonna put the Tabata workout up on the screen right now, but I'm also gonna read it to you. It's gonna be 3 rounds: high knees, jumping lunges, high to low plank, mountain climbers, leg raises, and flutter kicks. These are all for 60 seconds, and that is all 1 round. So all of those is 1 round each. Gotta do that 3 times. It's gonna be a rough one, but before that workout even starts, we gotta warm up. So throw on a sweatshirt, go outside, put on some running shoes. We're going for a run. I'm gonna make it kind of like a sprint, so I'm gonna really get my heart rate up. I'm just gonna run around the block real quick, then we can get right into it. So let's do it. All right, y'all. We're back from the run. It's about maybe a quarter mile, a little bit longer, just full sprint, nonstop. I had a 12-pound weight vest on. It was a good warm up. It's definitely good. If you can, go out, run around the block if you can. If you can't, do some high knees or some burpees. Something to get your heart warmed up before you actually start this workout. I'm gonna read off the workout one more time for the people that don't want to stick around and watch me actually do the workout or demonstrate basically all the workouts. But the workouts are high knees, jumping lunges, high to low plank, mountain climbers, leg raises, and flutter kicks. These are all for 60 seconds. That entire thing is 1 round, 3 rounds each. So that's the workout we're gonna be doing today. I hope you're doing it at home. I'm gonna demonstrate all of the workouts now. And that'll be it. All right. Let's get into that. All right, guys, just finished the workout. Wow, it was great. I mean, I definitely pushed myself to the limit on that one. It is 10 out of 10, 100% great. I think this might be one of the best beginner's workouts ever. It's probably got like the easiest workouts in general to do, but at like a hard pace, you know? So for like a beginner, you can really see your improvement every time you do this workout. I'm gonna push this to all the beginners out there and even experts, honestly. But if you're a beginner, this is also a great workout that you can do and consistently see progress on every time you do it. So I recommend that. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it because I'm almost to 400 subscribers and that's awesome. Share this video with your friends, spread it around, and help me keep gaining the community and the family so we can all continue to work out together and get stronger. But yeah, this is the end of the first quarantine motivation workout video. I don't really have a great name for it yet, but that's what it's gonna be for now. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow.